How to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build a digital planner like the ones you see on Etsy and start selling. So let's get into it. Now you can actually replicate one and you can take a look at one of these templates that are available on Etsy. Just take a look at this planner over here. So you can rebuild this kind of template or you can get started from scratch, and we're going to be using the tool called Canva to get started. So you're just going to sign up on Canva, create your account, and now we're going to get started with our planner. Now you can just open up a sample, take a look at Etsy's digital planners and open one up just so you have like an idea of what you want to add, or you can get started from scratch. So over here on Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to search for planner. And then once you search for planner, you can even see there are two base templates available. So you can click on one of this. And now they're going to show you multiple different options. So you have this kind of planner, or you even have a different kind of planner template. So if we go on ahead, you actually have a wide planner template and a shorter planner template, and you can get started with one of these templates as well. But we're going to click on create a blank planner, which is basically a just blank A4 size canvas to get started. Now over here, you can take a look at the multiple different options available to get started. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make something along the lines of a monthly planner. So we're gonna provide like a monthly planner that has, basic things like your finances, your budgeting, or your daily mood and habits. So to get started, first off, we're going to choose the overall theme of the planner that we want. So we're just going to zoom on to our page, and I want to make this a feminine kind of template. So we're going to click on the page over here, click on the top left over here, choose a light kind of dusty pink color to begin the design of our template. Now, once we have done that, we're going to go into our element section. And first off, I'm going to make the cover page, which is going to be monthly planner and the different sections that are present within the planner. So this is going to be August monthly planner. And for the first off, I'm going to click on lines and shapes over here, and I'm going to scroll down, or maybe I'm going to click on elements and I'm going to search for rectangle, and I'm going to search for rectangle border. And I'm going to click on graphics over here, and I'm just going to take one of these sections over here. So I'm just going to take one that I like, and I think I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to edit it to be white. And now what I'm going to do, or maybe I will go with another one. I think I'm going to go with the basic one like this. So just spend your time, take a look at what you like the most, and once you have decided on that, I'm just going to zoom in, and now you can see this is the box that I'm taking. I'm just going to expand it like so, place it right at the center and the top center, and then I'm going to change the colors to be like darker shades of pink, like so. And once I have chosen the colors, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on text over here. I'm going to add a basic heading text. You can even use font combinations, but we're going to write August monthly planner. And then once I have added that, I'm just going to place it over here, resize the text and place it right at the center. And then I'm going to change the color to be white instead. And then I'm going to click on effects over here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of a lifted effect. And just like that, I've added the basic title page, and then below that I'm going to add multiple different sections such as finances, moods, or contact, or schedule. So first off, what we're going to do is I'm going to add another text, and it's going to be schedule. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to put in a few text blocks like your schedule. So whatever you are adding in this planner, I'm going to add a scheduling page, and then I'm just going to do Command C and Command V, and then I'm just going to paste this on the other side, and then I'm going to add finances. And then I'm going to do Command C and Command V once more, and then I'm going to maybe add another page that would be along the lines of moods. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this once more, and then I'm going to add the fourth page of my planner. And you can even take a look at the other planners to get some inspiration on what other things you might want to add, such as, growth planners or fillable planners, any other thing of your choice, whatever you might want. So you can just view those as well. Let's say that you want to add maybe something along the lines of a subscription aid. So we've added like 4 basic things, and I'm just going to recolor this text over here. I'm going to make it white, and then I'm going to click on effects over here. I'm going to click on hollow, or instead of hollow, I don't think I want to add hollow. I'm going to make it lift. I'm gonna add like a nice effect like so, and now I've added like the first page. Now you can click on elements and you can search for things like borders, and then you can add these kinds of borders onto your actual planner page just to decorate it. You can decorate it however you want. You can add florals, so I'm just gonna search for flowers. And then I'm just going to add these at the corners just to add like a more decored item or a decored look onto my planner. And you can customize the theme however you want. You're gonna add those items that would best fit the theme that you are going for. So I'm just going to add these kinds of items because this is the theme that I'm going for. And then after that, what you're going to do is click on add page, and you're going to create your first page, which is going to be the schedule. Now once you've added the schedule page, I want to make it basically like a calendar. So what I would do is I would just open up my calendar from over here. I'm going to take a look at the August calendar, and I would just copy this look over here. You can see it has 7 little grid blocks and the date, so you can just input those over here. You can just simply search in the element section for a grid, and then you're going to click on graphics over here. You're going to copy this 6x6 kind of look, and then you're just going to calculate how many columns and rows there are. So we have 7 columns and like 6 rows, so we're just going to expand this, and we're just going to place it over here. Do Command C and Command V and place this over here. So we're just going to resize these so they better fit so that they fit like this. And then you're just going to copy and paste this to the bottom. And now you have like the first section, and now you can just copy this and place it right at the center so it looks the best. And now you can enter the dates, and then for each date you can add a detailed page, and you can use like the bottom as notes. You can first add your text, so you're going to click on text, you're going to add heading, and in your schedule section you're going to add your calendar, and then for each individual date you can add your date. So you're going to add page 1, and then you can add things like daily schedule or notes for the day or things like that of that sort. You guys understand on how to do that, so you're just going to add August 1, and then this would actually hyperlink back to the date that you're going to input over here. So you have your calendar, and this is the first. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add the first. You're going to click on these 3 dots over here, click on hyperlink, and this would link to August 1. And now whenever someone clicks on their calendar on the first, they would be directly linked to the page for the specific date. Now you're going to do that for all of the dates, and then what you're going to do in your schedule section is that you're going to click on hyperlink, and then you're going to link the text to the scheduling page. So whenever someone clicks on this, they would be landed to the first page of their schedule, which is going to be the calendar page. And then we're going to add all the dates. Once you've added the dates, you can add the next section, which is going to be the finances section. So you're going to make the next page, which is going to be finances, and then you're going to add your heading, which is finances, and then we're going to add, any kind of section that you want, which could be spending goals. And then you can click on elements. You can go on ahead and click on over here, click on your graphics, go into lines and shapes, just take like a basic shape over here, expand it, and use this as like a section to write the spending goals, so people can just use this as a section. And then we're going to change the color to white, and then so on and so forth. You can add different financial goals and hyperlink them back to the first page as well. Once you have done that, you can just click on share, click on download, and download this as a PDF, and your planner would be ready. So after you have completed the design, you can just start selling it on Etsy. And that is how easy it is to make a fillable digital planner. And you can add stickers, you can add a lot more different interesting elements of your choice, whatever you want, simply using the Canva element section. You can find anything along. You can find any kind of design over here, so you can make it fit for any kind of customer that you want. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.